So, good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to the fourth session of Current Affairs. We are doing this as a part of our 90 Days Catalyst program on APSC prelims and different other government exams. We are doing current affairs for the month of April. I mean, already around 24 very important news. I mean, already cover course. The sessions have been uploaded in YouTube. The last session will be uploaded just after the class. যোনসকলে মিছ কৰিছে আপোনালোকে কাইণ্ডলি চাব পাৰিব the current affairs session for the third one. Okay, so this is the fourth session, and we will continue with current affairs from environment. আৰু ইয়াতে মই আগৰ ক্লাছেছতো কৈছোঁ already that I have added only those few current affairs যোনখিনি আমাৰ এক্সপ্লেনেটৰী হয় বা ডিটেইলড এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন য'ত ডিছকাশ্যন আমাৰ দৰকাৰ হৈছে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ গোটেই টপিকছবিলাক আমি কভাৰ কৰিছোঁ কনচিডাৰিং এ পি এছ চি প্ৰিলিমছ তাৰ বাহিৰে যোনখিনি আমাৰ জেনেৰেল কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ থাকে ফৰ এক্সাম্পল ছিংগল লাইনাৰ্ছ ওৱান লাইনাৰ্ছ that we are doing in the like already ongoing course, which is the 90 days catalyst course. We are already doing it there in the form of polls, and very soon we'll be sharing PDF also. So for now, I hope you're already clear with the previous content that we have already done till the last news we had done about pink hydrogen. And ইয়াৰ লগতে let me tell you one more thing that concerned এটা দুটা যোনখিনি static terms বা components থাকে সেইখিনি আমি definitely static course complete কৰিম. So till then you can get a basic grip of it যদি আপোনালোকৰ clarity নাই সেইখিনি টপিকত. For example, when we do constitutional articles or constitutionalization, we did one topic of the environmental act, environmental যোনটো আমাৰ protection আছিলে, that is now a part of the constitutional mandate under Article 14 and 21. So questions like these are bit related to the static portion, right? য'ত আমি GS polity under যোনখিনি আমাৰ component আছে that we will cover in the in the static portion. Okay, so apart from that, I hope the basic current affairs are clear, and you are able to solve questions. You are already solving MCQs on current affairs on a regular basis. So let us move on to the new topic that we have, which is the Million Miyawaki project. So this is important. Kyun important hai? Because Miyawaki project in itself is a very important component. So what is Miyawaki project? Just let's have a quick overview. Not a very এইবিলাক length already notes হিচাপে আছে. If you want to write for APSC mains or something, এইবিলাক content লিখিলে হৈ যাব. কিন্তু for prelims point of view, you just have to understand Miyawaki method. Japanese method হয় এটা. আৰু সেই Japanese method basically we or wait, let me go to the slideshow. Yeah. So in this particular process, the main idea is afforestation. Okay, main idea is afforestation. So keywords বিলাক আপোনালোকে ৰাখিব. Growing of trees in a very quick manner. Okay, in a very quick manner in a particular area we will try to grow a forest. Why? Because afforestation in very small areas, for example in urban areas, okay, in very small projects, that amar forest generation বা forest creation বা forest I would say regeneration যোনটো এটা component থাকে সেই componentটো কাৰণে Miyawaki method is used. So it is basically a effective tree planting method. Tree planting is nothing but afforestation method. How is it an effective method? How is it important, or how is it considered to be a quick method? Because we allow the trees to grow in their natural state. For example, this is an area XYZ. Okay, this is some area. Yat ami jodi Miyawaki processor hisabot jodi trees grow koribole jao, then what we will do is we will take only those projects, or sorry, those trees which naturally go in that habitat. Okay, so basically it is natural replenishment বা natural regeneration. আমি তাত কোনো ধৰণৰ extra বা hybrid বা ধৰি লওক তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ commercial trees grow নকৰোঁ. Whatever grows, let it grow. So in that concept, naturally growing at our environment, we create a particular forest. So that is why it is very fast. Okay, it is natural reforestation. So wherever you find these keywords, first of all, tree planting, afforestation, natural reforestation. So these are keywords. Whenever you find these keywords, and of course, basic component to hora thakibo pare the Japanese method hoy. So jeteo apnaloke ekhini component dekhibo, you will know that we are talking about the Japanese koar loge loge definitely it will be the Miyawaki method. Okay, so why is it important? Because there is a specific project that is in news, that we have seen in news, which is Million Miyawaki project. Okay, The Embassy of Israel in India has joined the Million Miyawaki project. What does it aim at? It aims at improving the air quality of Indian cities. Very important. ইয়াতে আপোনাৰ statement replacement কৰি Indian rural places, Indian let's say smart cities exactly কৰি দিব. So তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যদি option আহে, then you will negate it and you will like mark it as false. So the idea here is to create Miyawaki trees or forest or afforestation projects in urban spaces to increase the air quality in Indian cities. What is the basic target? To improve the air quality. Make a note on this because ইয়াত যদি আপোনালোকৰ কৈ দিয়ে reduce pollution, okay, that will also be correct because it is related to air quality. But যদি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কৈ দিয়ে যে increasing biodiversity, so that is not the direct aim. The aim is to improve the air quality and whatever component, whatever point যদি আপোনালোকে air quality ওচৰ যদি দেখিছে, then you go for that point. Okay, closest option also you might take it as correct. So Miyawaki project, Embassy of Israel in India has joined the Miyawaki Million Miyawaki project. So yate important to say what is the Miyawaki project. They might not ask you which embassy has joined, but ধৰি লওক যদি ষ্টেটমেণ্ট দি দিয়ে তেতিয়া লিখি দিব that Israel has joined the Million Miyawaki project, Embassy of Israel suppose, বা এনেকৈ ধৰি দিব যে Embassy of US UK and Israel have joined the Million Miyawaki project, so that will be wrong. Okay, so in this scenario, in this news, the main component is the Million Miyawaki project. It is to improve the air quality in Indian cities, okay? Afforestation in urban spaces. This is in collaboration with Million Miyawaki Foundation. They will plant 1 million trees. That is why the term million, okay? In Delhi NCR. So these points will not come. এইবিলাক সাধাৰণতে নুসুধে সুধিলে আপোনালোকক জাষ্ট ইমান সুধিব যে এয়াৰ কোৱালিটি ইনক্ৰিজ কৰিবলৈ ইন দি আৰ্বান স্পেচেছ এণ্ড হু হেজ জইন বেচিকেলি ৰিচেণ্টলি হু হেজ জইন দি এম্বাচি অফ ইজৰাইল ইন ইণ্ডিয়া অ'কে ইট ইজ ইনস্পায়াৰ্ড বাই দি Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki and boosts greenery in compact spaces. So this also is one of the important components. Like I said, whole space that are just now it will be a small space, and there only the trees will be planted in the natural manner. Okay, though they lack some natural forest attributes, of course medicinal properties, and this might not be there. Why? Because since we are growing it in an urban area, so possibly or not possibly tate tenekwa dhona evolution of the entire forest we may not see, but it is just a mimicry of the natural forest. Therefore they can act as afforestation systems, they can act as biodiversity systems, they can act as carbon sinks. Okay, the idea is to use the urban spaces for general afforestation so that the air quality and the ecology is maintained. যোনটো deforestation আমাৰ grave concern হৈ আছে, যোনটো আমাৰ আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ এটা problem হৈ আছে, okay, in Indian context also, which is increasing the greenhouse content in the environment, and as a result is causing the global warming. সেই গোটেইখিনি aspect আমাৰ Miyawaki is one of the most sought after projects or processes in the entire world, not just in India but the entire of the world. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Million Miyawaki project. It is to improve the air quality in Indian cities through afforestation. It is a Japanese concept by botanist Akira Miyawaki. And what is it? Natural reforestation hobo. Native native trees মানে হৈছে যোনখিনি trees naturally grow in that area. For example, azar গছ যে থাকে আমি দেখো, it naturally grows in the um, লেক চাইডছ বা বিলৰ কাষে কাষে আপোনালোকে দেখিব আমি প্ৰজেক্টছবিলাকতো আজাৰ ট্ৰীবিলাক প্ৰপ'জ কৰোঁ বাই ইট ইজ নট এতিয়া অলদো ইট ইজ ৱাজ এন ইনভেচিভ বাট naturally it will grow in that particular area. Okay, so whatever trees naturally native trees হিচাপে কোনো ফৰেন স্পিচিজ বা বাহিৰৰ হাইব্ৰিড স্পিচিজ আনি পেলাই আমি নলগাওঁ, naturally যোনখিনি গ্ৰ' হ'ব through that the Miyawaki process can be is done basically. Okay, Paro statement. So recently we had done one particular conference. Like I said, this is very important. Sustainable finance for tiger landscapes for conference. Even in your answer writing later on. It আমি prelims course কৰিছো, but current affairs course বিলাক later on আমি কেনেকে GS and mains কাৰণে কেনেকে আমি incorporate কৰো, that we will also discuss. But for now, the main idea is you should grab as many current affairs related to environment. Like I said, environment, defense, related topics, related current affairs you should not miss. Okay, important ones of course. এনেকে ধৰণৰ কিবা generalized news হলে we don't need to cover that. But for prelims and mains, environment and defense is a very very important component. So the sustainable finance for tiger landscape conferences, where was this held? This was held in Bhutan, exactly in Paro. Okay, Paro. Please remember, they concluded with this particular conference. It is very important considering the important countries, because our gute tiger range countries. Okay, they include by Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, China, India, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Nepal, Thailand, and Vietnam. So these are the tiger range countries. Important MCQs or ebla hai. Which of the following is not a tiger range country? ইয়াতে আপোনাৰ South Asian country এটা ভৰাই দিব, South African country এটা ভৰাই দিব, African country এটা ভৰাই দিব, sorry. So there you have to remember these particular countries which form the tiger range countries. Okay, even Russia is possibly a part of it. You can go and check once. So the Paro statement is an outcome of the SFTL C, which is Sustainable Finance for Tiger Landscape Conference. This we had done in one of our previous classes. This one, in our last classes to be precise. It was hosted by the Bhutan government and supported by the Tiger Conservation Coalition. So which country they will ask? Okay, they might ask. I mean, if the question comes up, what is the outcome? Paro statement. Apnalogar question di dibo. Paro statement is an outcome of which particular conference? So if you don't know it is tiger related, then they will give all sorts of conferences here, and you have to be very sure, because এইবিলাক question apnalogar, if there is no knowledge, to either apnaloke tukka maribo lagibo, নহলে there is no elimination, there is no none of the tricks work until unless you don't know it. It's a yes or a no question. It's a black and white question. These are not gray questions. Jota mi questions bilak dekhi pelai on an approximate let's say guess, we can make or eliminate some options or points. We will come to those techniques later on, but I hope you're getting the idea. Je ekhini question enekwa dhonor statement, enekwa dhonor outcomes bilak apnaloke as it is please monot rakhibo, and the best way to do is by doing current affairs. Okay, so the SFTLC, which is the Sustainable Finance for Tiger Landscapes Conference, it was held in Paro, Bhutan. It concluded with the Paro statement. What is the commitment? To commit additional 1 billion over the next year or the next decade, sorry, to conserve tigers and their landscapes. Usually they will not, or they might, in APSC teneke numbers bilakot khilimil nokore. So there might be a chance এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question আহিব পাৰে, but mostly they'll just confine the question for you to ask whether Paro statement ক'ৰ পৰা আহিছে, নহ'লে sustainable finance এই conference খন ক'ত হৈছিলে. Okay, additionally you can remember that basically since finance হৈছে, so 1 billion finance এটা দিব, 1 billion US dollars over the next decade to conserve what? Conserve tigers. They will just ask Paro to conserve elephants, to conserve tiger, to conserve snow leopard, to conserve rhino, anything can be the question. Okay, so make sure that you know all of these dimensions. Eta particular news or apnalokor tinta saita question ahar, but tinta saita question form or chance thake. Okay, so this is the Paro statement which was held in Bhutan, please remember, and the commitment was to, or is to, sorry, mobilize approximately an additional amount of 1 billion US dollars over the next decade to conserve tigers. All right, so this is very generalized information. Teneke current affairs of নাই, but যিহেতু টাইগাৰৰ কথা আছিলে, so current numbers খিনি আপোনালোকে 2024 কাৰণে আপডেট কৰি ল'ব পাৰে. And even this is the same thing in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttarakhand. These are the three, Karnataka and Uttarakhand. Okay, so these are the three states with the highest state numbers. Sorry, tiger numbers. Okay, please remember ekhini as it is ahe, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Uttarakhand. At the same time, they might sometimes ask reserves with the highest tiger population. Pasta manleke ranking na jai, but still you can at least remember the first two. Again, it is Jim Corbett. Okay, Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand and Bandipur in Karnataka. So even if MP has a total highest number of tigers in the entire state, but reserve wise jodi ami sao, it is in Jim Corbett Park, okay, Jim Corbett National Park and Bandipur National Park in Karnataka. Please remember these 2 points. Baki third, fourth lege tenege joar option chances kom thake. Even if jodi hudiu loy, then also you will be able to answer it with the help of some elimination. Ebla case ot apni ranking pohile hoday প্ৰথম তিনটা বা প্ৰথম দুটালৈকে মনত ৰাখিলে হ'ল, বাকীখিনি আপোনালোকে কম্বিনেশ্যনত ইউ ক্যান অলৱেজ লাইক কাৰেক্ট. ওকে, নেক্সট, Earth Day. So what is Earth Day? Earth Day is it basically, the concept originated in 1970. all right. Environmental degradation যেতিয়া বহুত বেছি হৈ আছিলে in the 70s, because that was the time of the new industrialization, নতুনকৈ আমাৰ digital, exactly digitalৰ যোনটো birth হৈছিলে, for example new computers and new technology, everything started from 1970s to 80s. Okay, after that it boomed in 2000s, and then today is like almost we are reaching a saturation point of the digital technology. After this saturation, now AI has come into role, right? Chat GPT, artificial intelligence. So this is a new era now. Etu amar etia dhori lok from everything. Recently Meta AI ulai goise amar WhatsApp ot apnaloke sage update ot dekhise. We have chat GPT, I think everyone knows. So technology wise there have been many eras, and we have seen that the recent boom is the highest boom that technology has ever seen after artificial intelligence has come into play. Starting from our PowerPoint, starting from our daily work, starting from projects, লাগিলে আপোনালোকে এতিয়া জেনেৰেলাইজ কণ্টেণ্টো যদি চাবলৈ যায়, then we go for AI nowadays, right? So AI and technology, সেইটো আপোনালোকে এটা কণ্টেণ্ট চাই ৰাখিব সদায়. Whatever new comes in AI, whatever new content or whatever new information comes in AI, try to make a small note on it. Okay. So, Earth Day, it originated in 1970s after widespread protest in environmental degradation. Eight to time almost 10-15 years later, or plus minus koribo pare, the ozone depletion also was a big issue. Okay, so hey timeline khini monot rakhile apnaloke hoday you can always relate to when the origination might be, ba points of apnaloke hoday uliai lobo pare hetu, all right. So the Earth Day, it originated in 1970s, and it was due to the environmental degradation. It is now daily, yearly observed in April 22nd. Okay, if these are current affairs from April, so as such তাৰ পৰা ওলাইছে exam যোনটো আপোনালোকৰ আহিব, that is the theme for Earth's Day 2024. Okay, this is nowadays a new attraction mostly in departmental exams. You should remember the themes of various days. Our hey themes খিনি আমি, for example, World Water Day, World Biodiversity Day, Environment Day, এইখিনি themes খিনি আপোনালোকে kindly cover কৰিব. আমি এনেও cover কৰিম alongside our current affairs, but from your side also, whatever new day you find on environment related, not for many others, generalize apnaloke World Cycle Day, World Motorbike Day, World teneka dhei days ahe, but those are not necessary, only related to the environment. But holo in now it is June, recently amar World Environment Day hoise. Then around 16 September, we'll have the World Ozone Day. So likewise, we'll have many days which are very important from environment point of view. In general, celebrate kora hoy. Okay, we have the World Soil Day. Then we'll have World Water Day to almost March of right? World Biodiversity Day, our mate recently 22nd May. So all of these days, the dates, and the concerned theme. Theme is very important for Environment Day. Theme is important for Earth Day. These two are the top most important things that you should remember. Okay, so for the theme of Earth Day, that is planet versus plastics, please remember this. Okay, planet versus plastics. There's no way out, you have to memorize it. Teneke bahut kita amar days ase jehetu, so eta page ot apnaloke extra ke likhi thoi dibo. All right, you complete it, you write it, and make a note of it. Eta extra sheet apnaloke days and for this you should keep, so that whenever an additional one comes, you just add it up in your extra sheet or the A4 sheet. Okay, so usually earth date ki hoy, sorry, usually Earth Day ki hoy. Earth Day, we find that the lights from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. worldwide, they are switched off. Okay, worldwide they are switched off. This is like, you might also think যে 1 ঘন্টা light off কৰি পেলাই কি হ'ব এদিনৰ কাৰণে. So see, there are some things which are symbolic. For example, যেনেকে I love this example of symbolism. Okay, when we talk about Gandhiji, when we talk about B.R. Ambedkar, গান্ধীজীয়ে যেতিয়া দাণ্ডি মাৰ্চ কৰিছিলে, হি ৱেণ্ট টু দ্য কোষ্ট, দাণ্ডিৰ য'ত কোষ্টটো আছিলে সাগৰৰ কিনাৰত গৈ পেলাই একমুঠি চইল বনাইছিলে. একমুঠি চইল বনোৱাৰ যুক্তিটো কি? তেনেকৈ ধৰণে 1 ঘণ্টা লাইট অফ কৰা যুক্তিটো কি? বি আৰ আম্বেদকাৰ যেতিয়া যোনটো আমাৰ আনটাচেবল যোনটো কমিউনিটি, দ্য ওৱান হি বিলংছ টু, what did he do? He just drank 1 drop of water from a well. He was an untouchable, right, in his entire life. So what are these symbolic things, what are these symbolic I would say representations that are seen in most of our মানে আমাৰ যেটা এনেকুৱা চেলিব্ৰেশ্যন হয় ৱৰ্ল্ড এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট ডে হওক এটা গছ আমি সেইদিনা ৰুওঁ ৰাইট চ' ৱাই হোৱাট ইজ দ্য ছিগনিফিকেঞ্চ এইটো আপোনালোকে এজ এ চিভিল ছাৰ্ভেণ্ট অলছ' ইউ শ্বুড কিপ ইন মাইণ্ড some things are symbolic and you need to do for awareness, all right? It's not that it will bring a change in the world, but out of 10 people, since it's also an era of social media and everything is so close, the world is like a very close compact network nowadays, so apuni korile out 10 ta manue free te gom pai. So the point is to generate awareness that something is happening for that as a symbolic. For example, when Gandhiji broke the salt law and he went did this on the coast, right? Coastline যেটা করেছিলে তো the the main idea is that you can make salt, you can make salt. It's such an easy process, it's just 1 hour আৰু ইমান বেচিক নেচেচিটি এটাত লৈ পেলাই কোনো ধৰণৰ মানুহ এটাক আমাৰ তেতিয়া ধৰণ যেতিয়া আমাৰ প্ৰি ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেঞ্চ আছিলে ইন দ্যাট এৰা no person should be devoid of such a right. The right to salt, eating salt was one of the most basic things of a person's life. Okay, নিমখ নোহোৱাকৈ আমি আই ডোণ্ট থিংক দিনত কিবা এটা খাব পাৰোঁ. ইট ইজ এন ইম্পচিবল টাস্ক. লাগিলে কোনোবাই ক'ব পাৰে যে মই নিমখ কম খাওঁ, বাট ষ্টিল ইউ উইল need that pinch of salt. You can eat for one meal, you can eat one dish, but the entire day you cannot eat without salt, right? At that point of time, in that era, Gandhian era, salt was taxed. Salt khaboleo মানুহে tax দিব লগা হৈছিলে. So and you know that salt is one of the most essential mineral contributing to our body. Sodium or যোনটো maximum intake আমাৰ salt পৰা আহে. So in that scenario, when you devoid or when you are not giving a person a very basic necessity that he or she is entitled for, তেতিয়া you have, when Gandhiji thought of fighting for it, he took this path where he made symbolically a single bowl or single handful of salt jot bonai pela he broke the law and he showed that you all can make salt. It's just this amount of salt, it takes around, let's say, half an hour, whatever time it took. Okay, it's not that, it's one of the most basic entities, one of the most basic requirements of the people. It should not be taxed because it is such a trivial thing. Okay, ইমান এটা সাধাৰণ বস্তু এটা যোনটো সল্ট বনোৱা সাধাৰণ লাগিলে এইটো প্ৰক্ৰিয়াটোৱে হওক বা যেনেকুৱাই হওক, সেই সাধাৰণ বস্তু এটা লৈ পেলাই কেতিয়াও যোনটো চবতকৈ বেচিক নেচেচিটি হয় সেইটোক লৈ পেলাই টেক্স দিব নোৱাৰি. ফৰ দ্যাট গান্ধীজি ডিড আ চিম্বলিক এক্ট এণ্ড দ্যাট ৱাজ দি দাণ্ডি মাৰ্চ. চিমিলাৰলি বি আৰ আম্বেদকাৰ, যে এক বুন যদি পানী এটা হেৰি টাবৰ পৰা খায়ো লওঁ তেতিয়া হোৱাটছ দ্য বিগ ডিল. ইমান ডাঙৰ সাগৰৰ পৰা যদি এক মুঠি চল্ট বনায়ো লওঁ, হোৱাট ৱাজ দ্য বিগ ডিল? চল্ট কমি গ'ল জানো মানুহৰ কাৰণে? নহ'ল. চ' দ'জ আৰ চাম চিম্বলিক থিংছ. তেনেকৈ 1 ঘণ্টা যদি আমি গোটেই ৱৰ্ল্ড ৱাইড, ইটছ লাইক awareness when for 1 hour the people are switching the lights off, right? It's not about the saving of energy, it's not about the hey, 1 ঘণ্টা বচালাম, we can save mother earth. No, but symbolically we can show many things. Quantitatively also we can show. For example, 8:30 to 9:30 1 ঘণ্টা light off কৰিলে all over the world, you can calculate the amount of power that we are saving. Those statistics, they come out after earth's day, যে 1 ঘণ্টা switch off কৰাৰ পিছতো just for 1 hour also, if we switch off the entire lights for one day, this amount of energy we are saving, that particular statistics come out. So daily if you can do that, that is, the entire world cannot follow it for a 1 hour process, right? They cannot do it on a permanent basis, but out of that also, that is just for reference. 1 ঘণ্টাও যদি আপোনালোকে কারেন্ট ডেইলি যদি বচায়, পাৱাৰ যদি বচায়, 5 মিনিটো যদি বচায়, 10 মিনিটো যদি বচায়, তেন্তে you are contributing to the entire power consumption or less power consumption process, which we are daily talking, we are daily writing in our answers, we are daily studying, but to incorporate in your real life is the main idea. Okay, so whenever you do or whenever you are a civil servant in the future, you have to do many symbolic things like this. You cannot change the world by or changing to bar কথাটো বহুত দূৰতে থাকে, but sustenance কৰিবলৈও in the world, in the civil society, to teach people or to make people awareness কৰিবলৈও you cannot do everything on a very larger scale. Sometimes the task will be very small, will be very I would say trivial. দেখাত এনেকুৱা লাগিব একমুঠি নিমখে বনাইছে, 1 ঘণ্টাৰ কাৰণে লাইটহে বন্ধ কৰিছে, but the impact on the larger scale will be very different. So those, in that scenario, with that idea only, earth hour নিচিনা initiative এটা লোৱা হৈছিলে. Okay, so they always thought যে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ দিন এটাত আমি we will dedicate, we will make it, or we will use it for awareness. For example, World Environment Day, আজিৰ পৰা 6-7 বছৰ আগৰলৈকে World Environment Day had no meaning. Even if it did have meanings, but আমি স্কুলত বা কলেজত তেনেকৈ কেতিয়াও ৱৰ্ল্ড এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট ডে তেনেকৈ কেতিয়াও চেলিব্ৰেশ্যন কৰা নাছিলোঁ। বাট নাও ডেজ ওৱান্স ইট ইজ 5th June, তাৰে 1 week মান আগৰ পৰাই we see that so many institutes and so many colleges, they are all preparing for the day, right? So now we know the essence because the awareness has been created. Similarly, Earth Day, the awareness has started a few years back. In a few years time, the entire essence will be like spreading. So time, it takes time, but awareness create কৰাটোৱে main আমাৰ mostly motive হয়. Okay, so these questions, these statements, they come in prelims nowadays. What is the idea behind the Earth Hour initiative? তাতে লিখি দিব আমাৰ to save energy, to save power, but no, it is not about saving energy or saving power. You cannot save energy and save power just by in 1 year, in 365 days you're closing the entire lights and everything, switching off the lights and everything এক ঘণ্টাৰ কাৰণে আৰু তাৰপিছত আমাৰ একদম climate change হৈ যাব. No, it is for environmental awareness, it is for the awareness of climate change, etc., etc. Okay, so you can go for that in that way. Next important topic is global e-waste monitor. E-waste is one of the most challenging things in today's environmental world. Okay, e-waste হৈছে, I think everyone knows e-waste means anything. For example, whatever kind of electronic things we are using, everything will be converted into e-waste once it becomes, or once it is decommissioned. Mane use nohua pisot ba waste ho joa pisot, that becomes an e-waste. So first let me tell you what is this report. So this is আমাৰ এইটো সুধিব আপোনালোকৰ কোনে পাব্লিছ কৰিছিলে. So the, sorry, oops, again কি হৈছে আজি. So the publishing house is, or the this one prepare যোনে কৰে, that is UNITAR. Very very important. আপোনালোকৰ হয়তো অকল UNITAR দিব পাৰে, which is the United Nations Institute for Training and Research. যিহেতু এটা বহুত জেনেৰেলাইজড টাৰ্ম হয় আৰু ৱেষ্ট মনিটৰৰ লগত একো ধৰণৰ তেনেকৈ লিংক নাই. So it becomes a bit confusing. Okay, এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যাৰ connectionটো বহুত কম between the house or between the institution which publishes it or the report which is being published. নামত যেতিয়া বেছি টেলি নহয়, নামত যেতিয়া বেছি কানেকশ্যন নাথাকে, তেতিয়া মনত ৰাখিবলৈ অলপ দিগদাৰ হৈ যায়. So এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ again the same trick, take an A4 sheet, okay, and for that you just write reports. তাতে আপোনালোকে column wise কৰিব পাৰে. For example, the name of the report, the publishing or the whoever releases it, and India's ranking. Jodi ranking ase, ranking nathakibo pare, India's ranking. Usually stats and everything you can also write in when we do the static part, GS type ot. Thik ase, kintu prelims er karone apnaloke enekwa iman gal information nilikhilo hoy je report khono jodi apnaloke explanatory besi banai die to he particular note to eko kam mane you will not be able to memorize it. All right, so what you need to do is you need to remember who has published the report, who has prepared the report. Jodi tat kiba combinational ase, kiba jodi institutions ase, that also you can mention. For example, in this question, in the MCQs only this may be present, this part. Okay, United Nations Training Institute for Training and Research Sustainable Cycles Program. So this is the entire program, or iman kono dipla apnalok thodi pare, tetia also it is right. Okay, along with that we have ITU, the International Telecommunication Union, and Foundation Kamiganak. Okay, so these three terms are there, but I would suggest apnaloke iman khini jodi monot rakhe, UNITAR, Sustainable Cycles Program. This is the particular organization which published the Global E-Waste Monitor 2024. Okay. What is the e-waste generated? Around 62 billion kgs globally in 2022. Now this e-waste will include everything like to mobile hog, damaged appliances hog, household appliances hog, in fact sometimes solar appliances. Okay, those everything, any lighting equipment hog, communications equipment hog, anything which is electronic or electrical in nature. Okay, you can use this term, electronic or electrical in nature, they will come under the category of e-waste. E-waste is a big problem because they are recycling one. I think you have seen Aji Ejon student, suppose moi Aji eta mobile lulu, within 3 years it starts dysfunctioning and I go for a new mobile. Okay, like that 15,000 or 20,000. Kunumai suppose it have hal mobile jodi loise, let's say 4,000 4 years, 5 years, and then that particular mobile is being kept away. Most of the people, I don't think even someone amongst us who might be using a particular mobile for 10 or 12 years until unless it is Nokia 1100. I think I'm not sure if you are like you know this mobile or not. This was one of the most resistant mobiles by Nokia. 1100 আছিল আমাৰ black and white mobile এটা. So that can possibly go for around 10-11 years. But otherwise, which in fact had gone, মোৰ নিজৰ ফোনটো it was around 10-11 years and I still had it. So that was one of the most resistant. But of course, সেইটো এটা simple যোনটো আমি আজিৰ দিনত আমি ডাব্বা মোবাইল বুলিয়ে কওঁ. So it had no features, no Android, nothing. It was a general receiver and like call তেনেকুৱা টাইপৰ mobile. So apart from that, if you see in today's world, whatever mobile you take, I don't think you will have a mobile. Even amongst you, I would guarantee that there will be hardly anyone who has a mobile for more than 4 to 5 years. You have to change it because those structures, those devices are made like that. TVs, for example, there are so many TVs after the incoming of these মোবাইলছ টিভি বহুত ডিকমিশ্যন হৈছিলে, বহুত বেছি ই ৱেষ্ট জেনেৰেট হৈছিলে বিকজ মেক্সিমাম পিপল switched on to mobiles and then the TVs were not either they were not buying or even if they are buying mostly they were flat TVs. So আগৰ TV সেইখিনি in a very big set they all became e-waste. Then there are some communication devices, other communication devices, okay? So likewise, in short, যদি মই কওঁ আপোনালোকৰ চাগে নিজেও দেখিছে ভাবিছে যে ইলেক্ট্ৰনিক ৱেষ্ট আপোনালোকৰ এটা হাউচ হোল্ড প্ৰায় কিমান ওলায় এক বছৰ যদি মই কওঁ সৰু সুৰাকৈ হওক বাল্ব হওক ইলেক্ট্ৰিকেল ডিভাইচ ইলেক্ট্ৰনিক যিহেতু দুটাই কনচিডাৰ কৰোঁ ফেন হওক ইনফেক্ট after 7-8 years 12 years AC does not start work unless it stops working. So many batteries আছে car batteries আছে scooter batteries আছে all of this waste it is all generated. And let me tell you the shocking news is just approximately around 1%, okay, 1% junto amar recycling hoy tarpra just 1% of the demand is met by waste recycling, okay. And why rare earth elements? Because in those electrical devices there are some rare earth elements and it is said that once you recycle them they are returned back to the environment, but only 1% of them of that particular of that particular demand is met, and 22% only is formally collected and recycled. The rest of the 88% is either discarded in general waste. যেনেকৈ আপোনালোকৰ ঘৰতো I'm pretty sure মোবাইলৰ বেটাৰী যদি কিবা হয় ফোন যদি পৰি থাকে ঘৰত বেলেগ কথা কিন্তু ডিছকাৰ্ড কৰি দিলেও I don't think people go to the market and discard it. They simply will give it to a kabadiwala তেনেকৈ দি দিব, right? But তেনেকৈ properly গৈ পেলাই এটা আমাৰ ৰিচাইকেলৰ যোনখিনি মানে ৱেষ্ট ৰিচাইক্লিঙৰ যোনখিনি ইউনিটছ আছে তাত গৈ পেলাই তেনেকৈ দিয়া নহয়গৈ, right? Either it is not there or it is at a very far distance. So XYZ many reasons are there. It will be not just the consumer's fault. At the same time যোনসকলে এইটো মানে the stakeholders, the government, everyone is like responsible for this. So in short, the e-recycle or the e-waste generation, this is a very important question and this is a very important content. Global e-waste monitor আমাক কোৱা মতে 62 billion kgs are globally generated. After 2010, world's generation of electronic waste 5 times faster than documented e-waste recycling. Okay, this is mostly, like I said, with the advent of mobiles, advent of quickly যোনখিনি মোবাইল আজিকালি বনেও বহুত সোনকালে বেয়া হৈ যায়, that is again these are all industrial gimmicks, commercial gimmicks. So সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ 5 times most, okay, 5 times faster the e-waste is generated, right? Then we have 23% or sorry 22% approximately only formally collected and recycled. Ekini question apnalokor teneke prelims ot nahe. Prelims ot A2 content. All of this content is important from mains point of view. Okay, GS3 environment. But anyway, that will not consider now. J2 mains okane time ase next year mains. But in case if you are making notes or making appearing for APSC and mains and everything, so you should keep such key points in mind. Okay, so global e-waste monitor কোনে দিছে you should remember, কিমান ধৰণৰ e-waste generate হৈছে that you should remember, and what is the recycling and collection data that you should remember. All right. Closing ceremony for the International Year of Millets 2023. Millets 2023 prior, this has been a very important topic because 2023 was decided to be the International Year of Millets, and this was with the according to the India's proposal at UN. This you should remember. Okay, it also have prior jodi 2024 news hai, sorry 2023 news hai, but this is an ongoing content, so you should remember this. Anything in and around millets you should remember. Okay, anything in and around millets you should try to remember. Next is the International Year of Millets. It aims to create domestic and global demand for millets, why millets, keneke millets. So this we will do under GS3 content, static content. For now you should remember International Year of Millets 2023 ক'ত হৈছিলে closing ceremony at the FAO quarters, Food and Agricultural Organization headquarters in Rome, Italy. Okay, this you should remember. This will come as a direct question. There's no doubt about this. Ahi যাব পাৰে, where was the closing ceremony held? Okay, place wise, international days, important wise, তেনেকে আমাৰ questions বিলাক আজিকালি prefer কৰে departmental and APSC prelims both. So India is the largest producer of millets, very important, followed by Nigeria and China. India is the fifth largest exporter of millets. Producer and exporter. Largest producer, fifth largest exporter. Okay, this was in 2020, but the status has remained so far almost the same. These are the few major millets that are grown in India. Finger millet to amar অসমৰ কাৰণে লোৱা হৈছিলে by the International Year of Millets. Okay, this you should remember. Screen show হোৱা নাই? স্ক্ৰীনটো আগতে শ্ব' হৈছেনে? য়েছ, বাকী সকলো দেখা পাইছেনে স্ক্ৰীন? এতিয়া হোৱা নাই? অ'কে অ'কে, ৰিংকু পৰা প্লিজ আপুনি চাব। মেবি চাগে আপোনাৰ হেড প্ৰব্লেম হৈছে নেকি, ডিভাইচত প্ৰব্লেম হৈছে নেকি? অ'কে, অল ৰাইট। চ' মষ্টলি গ্ৰ'ন ইন চাউথ ইণ্ডিয়া, কৰ্ণাটকা লাৰ্জেষ্ট প্ৰডিউচাৰ হয় finger millet, but in Ahom also in its targets they have targeted finger millet. So this is important. Otherwise this you can read in the notes. Eneke kudhonor extra mane junkin extra component ase we are anyway going to do in our GS3, I mean economics concept. Okay, green credit rule, very very important. Recently Ministry of Environment and Forests issued further guidelines on green credit program. Very important. Green credit program what kisman guidelines add hoise, what are the activities, eco restoration activities junkhini hoy under these guidelines, plantation of shrubs, soil and moisture conservation, terracing, rainwater harvesting, etc. Eta apnaloke ebla word by word mon rakhibo na lage. Okay, they will just ask you under the guidelines, under the green credit programs, what are the new guidelines concerned about. So mostly if you see, these are eco restoration guidelines. Okay, activities for eco restoration. Eco restoration mane enekwa eta dhorona, suppose this is an area. Okay, yat dhorilok আমাৰ there can be two situations. One, agriculture হৈছে বা এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ একদম হোৱা নাই, দিছ ইজ ওৱান থিং। যদি এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ হৈছে তেতিয়া চাগে হয়তো প্ৰডাক্টিভিটি কম, আৰু যদি এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ মানে নাই হোৱা দেন সেইটো ইদাৰ দ্যাট হেজ লেফ্ট দ্যাট লেণ্ড হেজ বিন লেফ্ট ফৰ ফেলো, মানে ইদাৰ দ্যাট হেজ বিন নট কাল্টিভেটেড বা ধৰি লওক এজ এ পাৰ্মানেণ্ট লেণ্ড এৰি দিয়া হৈছে, তাতে আমাৰ মষ্ট প্ৰবলি কোনো ধৰণৰ এগ্ৰিকালচাৰেল এক্টিভিটি হোৱা নাই। ইন both of these cases we almost take the same processes, same steps. This is called eco restoration, where we try to restore the ecological conditions of a particular area. Okay, it is restoration, right? To reform or recollect whatever the initial conditions were. For example, planting of shrubs, herbs and grasses. What will this help with? So at a particular area, for example this is an area, yet suppose it is barren, মানে ইয়াত একো suppose grow কৰা নাই, একো suppose লগোৱা নাই, তেতিয়া কি হ'ব, ইৰোজন হ'ব। আৰু ইৰোজন হৈ ইৰোজন মানে গম পাইছোঁ ন, যেতিয়া ওপৰ মাটিটো টপ সইলটো যেতিয়া with the effect of water and wind যেতিয়া খহনীয়া হৈ গৈ থাকিব, তেতিয়া what will happen, the quality of the soil will automatically reduce. So in that scenario, jodio the land has no agricultural activity as of now, but still we should plant shrubs, gha ba shrubs ba herbs nisina kiba teneka dhonor particular trees ba plants bilak tate logai thobo lage, jate at least eku grow noholeo jate uporor juntu top soil ko ami, right, juntu top soil hoy, juntu most fertile soil hoy, hetu jate uri na jay, hetu jate gusi na jay, utwai ninie ba khohonia nohoy. Okay, soil and water moisture conservation works, again the same thing. Soil যদি আছে য'ত সাপোজ আপোনাৰ বৰষুণ ভাল, তাতেতো সইল মইশ্চাৰ থাকিবই। সইল মইশ্চাৰ মানে কি হয়, সইলত যোনটো আপোনাৰ লিমিটেড এমাউণ্ট অফ ৱাটাৰ লাগিব, যোনখিনি যোনটো ৱাটাৰটো আমাৰ বা যোনটো পানীটো আমাৰ গছবিলাকে শুকি পেলাই পিছতকৈ ফটোচিনথেচিছ বা তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰচেছ কৰে। অ'কে, জাষ্ট এ জেনেৰেল আইডিয়া আই এম গিভিং চ' দেট দিছ অল দিছ পইণ্টছ উইল ডিছকাছ ইন আৱাৰ ষ্টাটিক ক্লাছেছ অলছ', which is under the 90 days Catalyst program, possibly which will be available for paid candidates only, but we are going to discuss this anyway. Okay, for this, for now, just the initial basic idea. Plantation hole, সইল কনজাৰ্ভেশ্যন মইশ্চাৰ কনজাৰ্ভেশ্যন মানে সইলৰ যোনটো নিজস্ব যোনটো একিউমুলেটেড ৱাটাৰ বা মইশ্চাৰ আছে পানী আছে সেই পানীটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় বিকজ প্লাণ্টছে সেইখিনিয়ে শুহি পেলাই পিছতকৈ ফটোচিনথেচিছ কৰে চ' দেট শ্বুড অলছ' বি ৰিটেইন বাই যদি বৰষুণ নহয় এফৰেষ্টেশ্যন বা গছ যদি বেছি কাটি দিয়ে ক্লাইমেট চেঞ্জ যদি হয় তেতিয়া বৰষুণ নহয় সেই তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ জেগাবিলাকত তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ য'ত বৰষুণৰ আমাৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ পিনে অলপ কম হ'লেও ষ্টিল আজিকালি দেখা গৈছে যে পানীৰ বা what you call this the monsoons বা পানীৰ যোনটো বা ৰেইনফলৰ যোনটো ইণ্টেনচিটি আছে কমি গৈ আছে চ' পানী যদি কম যায় তেতিয়া চইলৰ যোনটো মইশ্চাৰ সেইটো কমিব চ' এজ এ ৰিজাল্ট দি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কম্পনেণ্ট ইজ যে কিছুমান এনেকুৱা টেকনিক্স থাকে যাৰ কাৰণে সেই চইল এণ্ড ৱাটাৰ মইশ্চাৰ কনজাৰ্ভেশ্যন হয় উই উইল ডু দিছ ইন আৱাৰ লেটাৰ লাইক economics classes and environmental and agriculture classes okay then there is terracing then there is rainwater harvesting I think terracing দেখিছে পাহাৰ বিলাকত আপোনালোকে দেখিছে এনেকা ধৰণে স্লোপত ওকে গোটেই স্লোপত খেতি কৰে সেইখিনি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় যাতে পাহাৰৰ মাটিটো যাতে খহনীয়া হয় তলত পৰি নাযায় ৰেইন ৱাটাৰ হাৰ্ভেষ্টিং মানে পানীটোতো পায় আৰু সেই বৰষুণ যেতিয়া হ'ব তেতিয়া সেইটো কালেক্ট কৰি থয় যাতে যেতিয়া বাৰিষা নোহোৱা কালত বা later off monsoon seasons যেতিয়া বাৰিষা নহয় তেতিয়া সেই পানীটো ইউজ কৰিব পৰা হয় so these are some eco restoration guidelines so now you're getting it যে either way সব কি কৰিছে আপোনাৰ সংৰক্ষণত কাম কৰিছে কিবা এটা soil হওক water হওক mostly it is related to that so ইয়াতে যদি আপোনালোকৰ green credit program বুলি দি দিয়ে আৰু তাতে যদি লিখি দিয়ে that the new guidelines are related to let's say pollution the new guidelines are related to disaster management no it is related to eco restoration so simple teneke monot rakhibo lage what is a green credit program this also we will discuss at some point of time but for now you should remember that the green credit program it is mostly important for it is mostly the new activities that are introduced are for eco restoration okay next is some species related information this we will start from the next class okay so for now I'm going to give you a brief on I've seen many candidates they have been asking me one thing je current affairs and notes kini kenake banabo lage so for the next 10-15 minutes I'm going to give you a brief on how to make or how to create your notes on current affairs যোনখিনি আপোনালোকে at least exam or 5 দিন বা 3 দিন আগতো যদি চাই তেতিয়া whole coverage হৈ যায় holistic coverage okay holistic coverage যাতে আপোনালোকৰ সেই particular component যাতে cover হৈ যায় right so the first and foremost thing is যোনখিনি আমি এতিয়া লেকে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যত আমি নিউজ কৰিছো you have seen that I have segregated it into different components international news বেলেগকে politics or news বেলেগকে মানে political news বেলেগকে তেনেকে politics related news নাহে for example election related কোনটো party জিকিলে কিমান ভোটত জিকিলে those news should not come by rule okay keteba jodi katsit eta ahiu jay that will be a very different out of the context question okay it has to have grave importance only then apart from that political issues then environmental issues now like for example ekhine ami ahim science and tech or pine defense related issues economics related issues এনেকুৱা ধৰণে যেনেকৈ আমি অলৰেডি এপ্ৰিলৰ কণ্টেণ্টটো কৰি গৈ আছোঁ আপোনালোকে কাইণ্ডলি কপিত বনোৱাতকৈ ইউ শুড টেক ইদাৰ দিস্তা কাগজ ল'ব পাৰে নহ'লে আপোনালোকে ইউ কেন গ' ফৰ দিছ ওৱান A4 শ্বীটছ তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কাগজ লৈ ল'ব সেই কাগজত আপোনালোকে A4 শ্বীটছ লুজ পেপাৰ তেনেকৈ নোটছখিনি বনাই যাব নোটছ কেনেকৈ বনাব যোনখিনি কণ্টেণ্ট মই কৈ গৈ আছোঁ আই থিংক নাও ইউ আৰ গেটিং এন আইডিয়া যে কেনেকৈ প্ৰিলিমছৰ কাৰণে ফৰ এক্সাম্পল when you read about millets then you should just note down India's closing ceremony of International Year of Millets 2023 it took place in FAO headquarters Rome Italy himane tat apnaloke ekhini notes join nakorbo if you want to make a note on that it will be of no use why because ekhini prelims at nahe ekhini mains content hoy so he segregation to je kuntu mains hoy kuntu prelims hoy hetu definitely you will need some guidance because that you cannot do without guidance either you can ask your peers নহলে কোনোবা যদি already clear কৰিছে তেনেকুৱা components বা যদি এনেকুৱা সৰুৰা course join কৰি প্লাই তেনেকে ধৰণে current affairs যদি কিবা content পায় the segregation should be clear so এতিয়া otherwise কি হয় যে গুটে candidates সকলে এই গুটেখিনি notes আপোনালোকে prelims কাৰণে বনাই দিব but তেনেকে সেই prelims ত হেখিনি notes নাহে prelims is all about smart work where you will have a very limited amount of knowledge that apnaloke clear kori jay eneko apnaloke dekhiseyo sake je ketaman man ki bostu jane but still those candidates are clearing because it's not about the quantity it's about knowing the correct amount it's about knowing the correct information than knowing every information Okay, there'll be only 100 questions or 100 questions common porake you should know the current affairs, not knowing everything under the sun and common porise apna 30 40 ta question, so teneke nopore. You have to know just that much which is appropriate for exam. Knowledge base karone apni mains or poribo. For prelims you need to be very very concise, very very pinpoint. You need smart study. Okay, even for mains you need smart study, but then there at least you have to have a very clear concept idea. In case of prelims current affairs karone apni basic concept nathakilo kismane clear kori jay. Why? Because it is just information, some information. For example, closing ceremony of international year of millets jodi apnaloke year to jane, jodi apnaloke location jane, that's it. এটা ইয়াৰ অফ মিলেটছত কোনে কি কৰিলে কিছুমানে বহুত ডিটেইলছত সাপোজ আমি মেইনছৰ লেভেলতে পঢ়িলো বা সাপোজ আপুনি জানি পেলাই 5-6টা সোৰ্চৰ পৰা পঢ়িলে, কিন্তু will it be of any use? No. For knowledge base it is good, but when we don't have time, অলপমান knowledge base to compromise কৰি পেলাই we have to go stick to facts and figures. And this I'm saying only for current affairs, not for static components. Static we have to be clear with concept. Okay, so I hope you're getting the idea. So you just write economics setup ami from the very start. I'll just take a few idea from here itself, from like for example, yeah, for example DGTR, এতিয়া DGTR Director General of Trade বুলি আপোনালোকে লিখিলে and recommended anti dumping কিহৰ কাৰণে, trichloroisocyanuric acid. Now some people will go and read about DGTR ki hoy, some people will read about this particular, it is not required. Some people will go and read about this particular company, it is not required. So any stats and figures are not required. Jod dorkar hobo hetu moi kome, but jod dorkar nai, kindly you can just make a note of it. And this is the same thing that eta ami April kori asu, April news kori asu, but from your side you should be completing the June news as well. Daily apnaloke news jete pohibo tete eneki segregate koribo. Etia to apnaloke mains point of view par jodi apnaloke mains already attempt কৰিছে তেতিয়াতো গম পাব, বাট যোনসকলে মেইনছ এটেম্প কৰা নাই এতিয়াৰ পৰা আপোনালোকে মেইনছৰ কাৰণে কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ নোটছ নবনাব. ইট উইল বি আ ৱেষ্ট অফ টাইম. You have to learn the syllabus, you have to remember the syllabus. Only after that you can come back to your current affairs syllabus. Okay, so for now you can stick to prelims and other departmental exams jodi ase, you can stick to these broad classes. For example, economics or banao, economics or bahut kome ahe content, then go for polity, go for science and tech, go for environment, go for different defense related. তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ 5খন মান A4 sheet size ৰাখিব. এপ্ৰিলৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকে সেই 10-15টা নিউজ ফৰ এক্সাম্পল ইয়াতে যিমান কেইটা হ'লেও খুব বেছি এখন পেজ ফিল আপ হ'ব, মানে A4 size দুটা পেজ যদি আপুনি যদি ফিল আপ কৰে ইন এন এভাৰেজ হেণ্ড ৰাইটিং, আই উড চে মেক্সিমাম 2.5 pages আপোনালোকৰ এপ্ৰিলৰ গোটেই 60 to 40 নিউজ ইট উইল বি ডান. Okay, likewise মে কাৰণে তেনেকে 12টা sheetত আপুনি গোটেই 12 মাহৰ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ ইউ কেন সামাৰাইজ. এপাৰ্ট ফ্ৰম দ্যাট যোনখিনি আমি MCQ কৰোঁ সেইখিনি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় from the point of view that those are all single statements, so those also you can incorporate. So A4 size sheetত কৰিলে এটাই বস্তু ভাল হয়, এডিশ্যন কৰি যাবলৈ সহজ হয়, কিন্তু আপোনালোকে কপিত লিখি গ'লে এডিশ্যন কৰিবলৈ অলপ দিগদাৰ হয়. So that becomes a bit difficult to revise at the last moment. Discipline is required. Okay, notes or discipline making, notes making on discipline is very much required. So that আপোনালোকে আজি এখন কাগজ লিখি পেলাই এখন ডিসকাৰ্ড কৰি নিদিব. Because I had almost a dista, almost a single A4 bundle of current affairs, I threw it away because it was of no use. Because of lack of guidance, I kept on making all the notes and everything, but it doesn't help in the end. Tar bhitor mains or karone moi eta duta help ho jay. So now that's why I'm saying that junkini mains or karone help hoy, those we will segregate later. From this only, from here only, we'll keep on segregating. But for the prelims point of view, from prelims but from departmental exams point of view, you should make your notes very relative and very much only from the relevance point of view. GT news আপোনালোকৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নাথাকে. Okay, বাকি আপোনালোকে MCQ solve কৰিব লাগিব, so that is an important thing. So current affairs or GMCQ পায় at the level of your APSC and departmental exams, of course. যোনখিনি অনলাইন পাব সেইখিনি there is a very high probability that they will be taking bank into consideration, they will be taking RBI exams, they'll be taking bank exams, defense exams, সব compile কৰি পেলাই তাহাঁতি এটা generalized MCQs দিয়ে. But for APSC and for our APSC related departmental exams, the things are the questions or the current affairs is very limited. So instead of doing the entire thing, you should go for very specific sources. Okay, so it depends upon you whether you do it with your peers, আপোনালোকে লগৰ লগত বা কোনোবা যদি আগতে কৰিছে তেহেঁতৰ পৰা গাইডেন্স লৈ পেলাই, নহ'লে you can join any leading test series later on by এতিয়া ধৰি লওক current affairs যদি MCQ দি আছে অসম related. Okay, like I said, it is important that you make sure that APSC related বা APSC concerned বা APSC targeted হ'ব লাগে. randomly যাতে আপোনালোকে কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স MCQ সলভ কৰি নাথাকে, it will be a waste of time. Okay, anyway, so all of this is done, and after that I would say যদি আপোনালোকৰ reports related কিছুমান যেনেকৈ আজি মই ক'লো reports related, that you can make extra কিছুমান বস্তু আপোনালোকে as and when we are discussing in class তেতিয়া আপোনালোকে A4 sheet এখন prepare কৰি দিব পাৰে examৰ ওচৰত you just have to memorize or you just have to revise at least 13 to 14 pages তাতকে বেছি আপোনালোকৰ গোটেই current affairs I am telling you you don't need to make a bundle of notes. Am I clear today? Like etu jehetu bohuta questions hudi asile, we had already taken some classes on this in our previous sessions, but etu class we had not started from there. A very basic and preliminary idea. I hope you're getting it. So you can respond, and yeah, regarding the MCQ solving আৰু এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব, MCQৰ পৰা যদি এডিশ্যনেল ইনফৰমেশ্যন পায় সেইটো আপোনালোকে পৰাপক্ষত নোটছত এড কৰি দিব, বাট মেক চিয়'ৰ দেট ইজ ছেগ্ৰিগেটেড। যদি আপোনালোকে খিচিৰি কৰি চব নিউজ একেলগে লিখে মেমৰাইজ কৰিবলৈ আৰু ষ্ট্ৰেটেজি বনাবলৈ অলপ দিগদাৰ হৈ যায়, অলৰাইট। চ' বিকজ লেটাৰ অন এনেকুৱা হ'ব যেতিয়া বোলে টাইমৰ ডাৰ্ট হৈছে, আপোনালোকৰ বোলে আজি কাইলৈ ভিতৰতে এটা ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টেল এক্সাম আহি গ'ল, তেতিয়া আপোনালোকে কি কৰিব, ইকনমিটো আপোনালোকে চাইডলাইন কৰি থ'ব পাৰিব, তেতিয়া সেই টাইমটো বাচি যায়। বোলে মই আজি এইটো পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ এক্সামৰ কাৰণে অকল পলিটি পাৰ্ট এইটো পাৰ্টহে বেছিকৈ আহিব, চ' মই অকল সেইটো পাৰ্টে পঢ়ি যাওঁ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ। চ' দেট ৱে অলছ' your departmental exams in your particular specific exams also it helps. Okay, so make sure there is some discipline you need for your current affairs and your static notes. It is very important, although we will definitely provide from our side, but that provision is only for the paid members, of course. We will provide in our PDF like formats, but then also you have to make your own notes, because PDF follow it will be in this format only. It will be very lengthy, because lengthy ami hetu karne kor ba coaching institutes hokole hekane lengthy ke banai, so that you can have all the information in one go at one place. But the real and exact point is, the harsh reality is, the purpose of prelims is not to gather all the like entire knowledge. Base eta lage junto apnaloke nijor notes or nabharabo, সেইটো আপোনালোকে ৰেফাৰেঞ্চৰ কাৰণে বোলে পাহৰি গ'লোঁ, তেতিয়া ইউ গ' বেক টু ইয়াৰ নোটছ। বাট ৰিভিজন নোটছত ইয়ৰ নোটছ শ্বুড অলৱেজ বি ওৱান লাইনাৰ্ছ ফৰ অৰ ওৱান ছিংগল পেজ, বা তেনেকুৱা ধৰণে মান্থলি কৰিলে ওৱান ছিংগল পেজ, যদি আপুনি বাই মান্থলি কৰিছে তেতিয়া তিনিটামান পেজ, তেনেকুৱা ধৰণে ইউ শ্বুড মেক। ইন দেট ইট শ্বুড নট বি ডেছক্ৰিপটিভ ফৰ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ, অ'কে। ইট শ্বুড বি ওৱান লাইনাৰ্ছ, কি পঢ়াইছিলে, কি কম্পনেণ্ট আছিলে, দেট মাছ, যোনটো MCQ পইণ্ট অফ ভিউৰ পৰা আহিব। বাকী আপোনালোকে PDFৰ পৰা চাওক যদি বোলে কিবা কণ্টেণ্ট পাহৰি গ'ল, অ'কে। So I hope this particular component এইখিনি আপোনালোকৰ অলপ clear হৈছে নে? Are you getting an idea how to do it? Yes. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll switch on the microphone for you, and if at all there are no doubts, then I'll switch off the session. Okay.